to Crafting with Ty and Friends. I'm showing you guys 2 new templates today. So we have our individual hostess cupcake. These come in the package, I think of like 8, the snack size. My son can't wait to open this and eat it, so let me video it and go ahead and get it to him. And then we also have the Ferrero Rocher. I think I said it right. But it's the 3-pack. For all my Patreon members, I will be posting the publisher link to these templates. And I also will be posting the measurements for those who don't use publisher, so you can create the template yourself in whatever software you use. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great videos.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.